All right, so we're moving on to step 2 today. So you have your list of agents and you have looked at that list based on the tips in step 1. So once you finish that, there are 2 specific things I want you to look for before you start getting into submissions. All right, so the first thing is you need to, hi Melody, you need to look through that list and look at the websites of these agencies, and I want you to completely mark off anyone and everyone who tries to charge you any kind of fee, any kind of upfront fee. I don't care what it is. I have seen things back and forth on a filing fee. I will double check my contract, but I do not think I had to do that. Agents do not make money, should not make money off of their talent unless they're taking a percentage from their paycheck. And we can talk about that more later and what that should look like. But for now, if you see an agency that has an in-house photographer, no. They're taking a cut of that and they should not. If you see an agency that has some kind of like $150 upfront fee, no, we're not doing that. Take them off. And then I mentioned to you guys that Backstage actually had an agency listed that I do not recommend to people. So here's what I want to tell you about that. I have worked with people on set that are from that agency, so they are getting their talent work. The problem is they also require them to pay for mandatory classes from the agency. Like they have these mandatory workshops.